how to create Canva NFT art step by step. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can create your own NFT on canva.com for free. So let's get started. Now what you can do is you simply come to canva.com. Canva is an amazing platform that allows you to create these amazing designs. You can create your presentations, you can edit video, and you can create a poster, Instagram post, logo, resume, flyer, and there's like a lot of options here that you can do. Now, and actually you can create your own NFT with Canva, and today I'll be using the free version of Canva. I'm not gonna use the pro version of this website or Canva, and that's not a problem. You can use the free version as well, and it is super fun and super easy to use, and I'm sure you'll be more than happy after you watch this video. Now, but before we start into this video, guys, I want you to go down, and if you can hit the like and subscribe to my channel, that would be a very huge help for me. And I am trying to grow the community, the NFT community here on YouTube, and that'll be a great help for me. So yeah, before anything else, let's get into the video. Now what you can do is you can see the sizes of this, like say for example create blank. You see the size 180 by 1920 infographic, and you can customize the sizes that you wanted to create as well. But for now I'll be creating the canvas for Instagram post. So there you go. So as you can see, this is our blind canvas. Now you can try to like zoom it out by dragging this black icon on the lower right side of the screen, and yeah, you can zoom it out, zoom it in, and you can play around with this website, guys. There's like a lot of good stuff in here. You can click this more, you can upload photo, you can upload audio, video, background, charts and folders, and yeah, now you can import your media from this website is here, as you can see, and you can create styles. Like they have the Marshall Heavy. You can click that and it will just automatically pop out on your canvas, and that will be a very huge help as well. But for today I'll be showing you guys on how you can create your own NFT here on Canva. So what I wanted to do is go to this element, and then you can try to search what you want to have, like let's see, a raccoon, just like that. So yeah, you see you got a raccoon now. Once you see this icon here, this crown icon, it says pro, right? So every pro user, like the Canva pro user, is those are the only person that is allowed to use this image or this graphic. But you don't have to worry about that. As you can see, there's like a lot of free stuff here. There's a lot of images that doesn't have that crown icon on it. So but for now I'll be using the Bitcoin, and see there's a lot of stuff here. You wanted to like sort it out because I'm on the option which says all. You can click photos, you can click graphics, video, audio, or anything you want to click just to sort it out. And yeah, but I wanted to select all here, and I wanted to use this one. So as you can see, once you click the icon or the element or the graphic, it will automatically pop out on your canvas. Now as you can see, there's the Bitcoin icon here. Now if you wanted to resize it, you can see this arrow key. You can just drag it down, drag it up to resize the image. And if you wanted to centerize the icon that you have, you can like drag it here, and you'll see like a pink line. There you go. So once you see that, it means it's already in the center. And now next, I wanted to use another element. Maybe it's a good thing to put in here. So maybe I'll try to use this rectangle. So I click that, and I wanted to like change the color first, or like enlarge it a little bit and put it on the center. So it's already in the center. Now the problem is it's in front of our coin. What you have to do is you can right click it, and you'll have the option to copy, paste, delete, send backward, send to back, link, animate, and comment. Now what I want to do is send it backward. Boom. Now you'll see our Bitcoin icon is already in the front. And now I wanted to change the color of our background as well. So what you need to do for that is you click the background, and you'll see this icon here, background color. You click that, and you can either select color from here, or you can either click this one and color pick any color that you wanted to have. So I wanted to like color pick this one, and I wanted to darken it just like that. And for our square shape, I wanted to change the color of it, and I wanted to match it with our Bitcoin icon. So there you go. Now you already have your NFT art. So see how fast and how easy to create an NFT art using the Canva platform. So it's very helpful. And by the way, guys, just heads up, this video is only for a reference. You don't have to copy everything. You can always play around with this elements that you are seeing on your screen. Play along. I also suggest you play along and try to upload like a video from Google and try to trace it out, or try to search. You can always play around with the elements that you wanted to have for your NFT art. This is just this is just a reference video. I'm not a very artist myself, so yeah. And I hope you learned something from this video. This is a really just like a very quick tutorial on how to create an NFT art using Canva.com. Now after you're done creating your art, you can download it, and you'll have the option to like resize it like this. But that's for the Canva Pro users only. Now you'll have the option to upload or to download it with as JPG, PNG, PDF standard, PDF print. And if you're using Canva Pro, you can use this SVG as well, the Sharp Vector Graphic, and MP4 video and GIF. Now I'll be using the PNG and download it, and I can download it on OpenSea and Solana. So yeah, once you hit download, you'll see that it's not gonna take a lot of time to download the file, guys. So yeah, I hope you learned something from this video, and thank you so much for watching. I appreciate that, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and you can ring the bell as well, and hit the like button as well. And if you have any suggestions or whatnot, if you wanted me to create another video about NFT, you can always comment down below, guys. I'm very happy to read and listen to all those comments that you wanted to put in. So thank you so much, and until next time, bye bye.